Hi, this is the Pixel 8 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So we should first open the settings and then tap here on the network and internet section. Tap to internet and to activate Wi-Fi you should click on the switcher. To turn it off you should click by the same switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks with which you could connect. Let's select one from them, and here we should enter now the password. If you want to see the password, you should click the Show Password checkbox. Then just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you'll see here the internet, the Wi-Fi switcher. Just click to the switcher to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, and after that you'll see here all of the networks. You could also click to see all to just launch the full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.